Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. We wish you a very happy new year, and with this new year we come again to you with yet another fabulously designed course. We call it Sambhav. Okay, this course is specially designed for your prelims 2024. Now this course, the meaning of the word Sambhav means it's possible. So here at Sunya, we all are making all the efforts that we can to make it more possible for you, to increase the probability for you to clear your prelims 2024. So now let's understand what is this Sambhav 2024 program. Now when we talk about prelims, most of us has two difficulties. We can't revise enough, and second, we can't practice enough. So Sambhav here has two different programs and a combo of these two programs as well. The combo has some special features, so watch the video till the end. So let me talk to you about the prelims practice combo first. Okay, a lot of times it happens that we keep on reading or watching our lectures, revising, but what we actually miss is application of those concepts in an MCQ format. So this component, this program, the practice combo, has 5 components. Okay, the first one, revise entire syllabus through 3000 plus MCQs. Now this program is a very uniquely designed program. Here you will have topic wise segregated MCQs. So how this will help you? Why is this unique? So say for example, you think your economy or maybe your polity is powerful, but when you will sit and solve topic wise MCQs within your strong subject or within your weak subject, you will be able to identify topics which will need more work, as in which you are weaker at. So as it is very well said, strengthen your strengths and weaken your weaknesses. This program will actually help you to identify your weaknesses and work upon them. Okay. The second component, Prelims Revision program, one of our most loved programs from students. It is a daily test program. So with a lot of us it happens that when we are sitting at home, we are filling the OMR, we get good marks. When we are going for a mock test, we get good marks. But we all have some sort of an examination fear, exam hall fear, classroom fear, bench fear, we all have different names for that. But this one will get you over your examination hall fever, because here we will give you daily tests and you will be sitting in that examination sort of a mindset every day. So this is a must do kind of a program, and it is also a part of your Sambhav prelims practice combo. Now component number 3, Manthan 2024 GS test series. Now this test series contains 7 sectional and 8 FLTs, full length tests. How is this different from these two? Okay, every component is crafted with a different point of view, curated with a different point of view, and structured in a different way, which will help you a 360-degree practice. So let's talk about Manthan. Okay, in Manthan you have tests wherein there are core questions from your NCRTs, there are questions from your standard reference books. So this one will really help you revise your concept se leke, everything from your conceptual to the advanced concepts in different stages. Now we all know since 2017 CSAT has been a game changer. Okay, before 2017 it was said that you don't need to look at the CSAT paper, just go and sit and you will be able to qualify the paper. But after 2017 the scenario has changed completely and it has become very important. And CSAT has 3 components, right? You have your reasoning, then you have your quantitative aptitude, and you have your reading comprehension. All these 3 are getting equally difficult and you will need a lot of practice. So here in the CSAT PI test series you will get 9 sectional and 6 full length tests. So you can practice your concepts, you can practice, you can check how much time you're taking, you can define your strategy for CSAT based on these papers. And last but not the least, current affairs test series. You will get 12 tests here, and these tests will be crafted month wise. So you have read current affairs of a particular month, and then you go and give a test. You will understand that you need to read more or less about the same month. So these all questions are curated very, very, very carefully. We have put in lot of hard work and created MCQs which are very much relevant to your trending patterns of UPSC. We all know that the trend in UPSC examinations, they keep on varying every year. So we have understood, analyzed, I would not use the word understood, but we keep on analyzing the patterns of your prelims, of your mains. So we have put in a lot of hard work, and you will find UPSC level questions, UPSC type of questions which vibrate together with the same level, same pattern, same trend. And this practice combo, guys, trust us, will get you ready for your prelims. Now this is the first one part of the program, Sambhav prelims practice combo. Now let's talk about the revision combo. When will you practice? Once you're done with your revision, right? Otherwise we all are stuck in the revision, nahi ho raha hai. It's a very common thing that I'm not able to revise it. So here we come to you with a combo which will make your prelims revision very, very easy. Okay, let me run you through the components. Okay, so this revision combo has video components and notes as well. Okay, so let's look at the components. You will get access to prelims crash course. Now this crash course, guys, is a very convenient, very effective way of revising your entire syllabus. So say for example, you say take polity or economy or environment. Then in 15 to 20 lectures, the entire syllabus will be taught to you in a very effective, efficient and relevant way. Okay. Now second, as we just spoke that CSAT is getting very important and the level of questions is getting more difficult. So here in CSAT, you will get video courses. Now the beauty of this course and the best part about this course is that quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning are taught by IITians. So in this course, we are not going to make you mug up formulas. That if it is a speed, distance and time problem, you have to just apply this formula, or if it is a a quant problem, you apply this formula. No, we are not doing a formula based approach. We are doing an approach which is it starts from conceptual level, then it grows into the applicability of the concept, and then it goes into the advanced level of UPSC questions. So no mugging formulas, because if you remember in the last year's paper, no formulas worked. Most of the questions were solved based on the concepts and understanding of your concepts. Okay, reading comprehension is also covered in it in the most unique way. So this video courses will get you ready for your prelims. Now this one I'll cover the last. Component number 4, static revision notes. So here we have collated your NCERT's NIOS standard reference books, everything, and we are giving you concise and comprehensive notes in 80 to 100 pages per subject. Just imagine how many times you will be able to remember, read your and revise your syllabus. Like, guys, understand one thing. Our mind works in a definite set pattern. And there are researches which show that our mind doesn't know what is important, what is not. You have to tell your mind what is important, what is not in its own language. So if you try to think about it, the information that you keep on coming across on a daily basis becomes a part of your permanent memory. Like you never forget your friend's name, your friend's home address, your own home address, or any other detail which you keep on repeating in your mind again and again. So this is your way. This is your mind's way of understanding what to keep and what to discard. Okay, so the more number of times you will revise, the more your mind will think it is important and will retain that information. Also, we will be giving you prelims PYQ content, which is segregated topic wise, subject wise. Okay, what is the benefit of this? It is observed that when UPSC, say for example, there's a question on a particular topic. Out of the 4 options, only one option is correct. But in the next year's paper, the question will be created even from the 3 incorrect options that were found in the paper. So here we have not curated content just based on the question or the correct option, but the 3 incorrect options also. So here we are getting you ready with your PYQ analysis, and we all know, this is a set norm for UPSC examinations that without studying PYQs thoroughly, you cannot, hope to clear your prelims. And last but not the least is Prelims Current Affairs Notes, known as Sunya Notes, one of our landmark products. Here we collate the Hindu, PIB, other monthly magazines and put all the important and relevant information in 40 to 50 pages per month and give it to you. So guys, just imagine focused, concentrated, very relevant static and current affairs lectures. Also the crash course has a component wherein you have dedicated current affairs lectures. Okay, then you have CSAT lectures, then you have very well prepared notes, you have your CA notes sorted, your revision combo is sorted. Okay, this will enable you to revise the relevant things again and again. Now this is the combo that I am talking about, prelims combo and practice combo. You can purchase 2 of these, and what is the benefit of doing that? You will get mentorship for your prelims 2024. So students who purchase both the combos, the revision one and the practice one, will avail mentorship from Sunya IAS for their prelims 2024. Guys, if you want more information about the program, then the information is given in the description box below the video. Also, we have this helpline number wherein you can call up and speak to one of our representatives and get more information about the course. You all have our Telegram channel wherein you can get more details. So please get in touch with us to know more about this program, and let's work together and make it Sambhav, make it possible for you to clear your prelims 2024. Thank you very much, guys.